Understanding Watchtower Duty, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, Watchtower Duty. This term might sound a bit unusual, but it's packed with meaning and history. So, let's dive in and unravel its mysteries together. Watchtower duty refers to the responsibility of guarding or observing from a watchtower. Traditionally, watchtowers were high structures built to provide a wide view of the surrounding area, primarily for military or lookout purposes. In modern times, this phrase can be used metaphorically to describe someone who is vigilantly observing or monitoring a situation. Historically, watchtowers played a crucial role in defense strategies. Soldiers assigned to watchtower duty had the critical task of alerting others of approaching threats or enemies. This historical context gives the phrase a connotation of vigilance, responsibility, and alertness. In contemporary usage, watchtower duty can be metaphorical. For example, someone who constantly monitors the stock market might say they're on watchtower duty. It implies dedication, constant vigilance, and a readiness to act in response to changing situations. To better understand the use of watchtower duty, let's see some examples. 1. As a network security analyst, I feel like I'm always on watchtower duty, keeping an eye out for potential cyber threats. 2. The lifeguard, perched in his chair, was like a soldier on watchtower duty, vigilant for any signs of danger in the water. And that's a wrap on Watchtower Duty. We hope this exploration has shed light on this interesting phrase and its applications in both historical and modern contexts. Keep learning, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.